I've realized many pending bills, when something is being purchased from outside, is actually paid in advance. And the money is wired before even anything is done. But when it comes to Kenyan contractors,
as we talk about doing 200,000, which is now the deficit every year, we have an existing deficit, okay, which as of 2018, which is when we had done a housing study, was 2 million, which has grown. All right? So now that sets the figure, and it then tells you what drives this number, 200,000. So 200,000 is not just something that you thumbsuck or whatever. It is driven by something. And so therefore, this State Department, we have told ourselves that we will do whatever we have to do to make sure that we reduce on that deficit. That's why when we are asked, is 200,000 number realistic? And our answer is, we have no choice. We will do everything possible to undo it. Because if we don't undo it, we will have more slums.
We have taken note of all the deliberations made by this committee and promise that we are going to follow everything to the letter. And we also thank your committee, Honorable Chair, for the support that you have accorded the State Department and the Ministry, and hope this collaboration will continue. Thank you very much.